Mahaprabhu? No, Srila Prabhupada. Because of Prabhupada, we are able to chant Hare Krishna. Do you know that Mahamantra is chanted in Bengal only? Even in Vrindavan, many people didn't know. They chant Radhe Radhe also, but not Mahamantra. Odisha, yes, some part of South India. But Prabhupada is a person, one who brought Hare Krishna Mahamantra, not only Bengal, all over the universe. So Prabhupada only did that. And because of him, we are able to chant some Hare Krishna, I say. Some. So understand. This Golokaro Privadhana Harinamasa. It is the nectar of Golok Vrindavan. And he brought it for the whole world, which originally inaugurated by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So please, I'm going to chant Prabhupada mantra. Please come. Thank you. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamiti Namo Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunnavadi Paschatya Deshotari Namaste Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasati Gaura Jaya Sri Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasati Gaura Jaya Sri Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Ram Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Ram Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Ram Ram